Let's start by creating a new project. You can either drag and drop your video here, or import it directly from your computer. To do this, click the plus import icon or the import sign. Drag the video into the timeline section or click the plus sign to add it. Now import your second video using the same steps, and then the third video. As you can see, I've imported 3 videos. Let's begin editing. To zoom out or zoom in on your video timeline, use this icon. This helps you better view large clips in the timeline. You can also expand the view for better visibility. If you want to disable the magnetic snapping between clips, click this icon to toggle the magnet on or off. Now let's shorten a clip. Hover over the clip you want to cut and use the Cut Clip icon. Place the cursor where you want to make the cut, then click Split. If you want to delete a section, click the clip and then select either Delete Clip Right or Delete Clip Left from the options. Now, let's add audio or music. First, move the cursor to the desired starting point in the timeline. Then, add your music. If you add multiple music tracks at once, they will stack in the same position. So it's best to drag the music manually and place it correctly in the timeline. Now, click play to preview your video along with the audio. Let's say I want to shorten another clip. I place the cursor at the point I want to cut, select the clip, click the split icon, then select the unwanted part and click delete. As you can see, the clip is now deleted. On the other hand, if I want to shrink the clip manually, I place the mouse on the edge of the clip. When the mouse icon changes, I can drag it inward to shrink the clip.